This is Noah. He's a really great dog. He likes to play fetch, he'll play tug. He likes his Kongs and Nylabones, and he actually knows how to run on the treadmill. So he'd be really great as a little running buddy, or, not. He loves his walks, but he's also very mellow. He loves belly rubs and getting rubs under the chin. We just hang out and watch TV a lot. He's a pretty cool dude. Noah, sit. Good boy. You want some more?
Such a good boy.
Sit. Sit down. Good. You're so good, Noah. So good.